telecommunications week that we are in. All right, now we move on. Cabinet Secretary for Labour and Social Protection, Florence Bore, has said that her ministry has put in place measures to ensure all the elderly who have attained the age of 70 years and above, especially those who don't have a source of income, will be registered under the Inua Jamii program. Now, through the Inua Jamii program, the elderly get a stipend of 2,000 shillings every month. The CS was speaking in Nyeri County as she was inspecting the ongoing registration process in which the government plans to register more than 7,000 Kenyans under the Inua Jamii program.
So in total, we are looking at recruiting about 700,000 beneficiaries into this program. We are looking at persons that are 70 years and above. We are looking at orphans, and we are also looking at persons with disability, especially the severe disability, so that we can bring them on board to be able to be protected under this Inua Jamii program. So that is why I'm here. Today is the 11th day of the month. The program will continue up to the 30th of September. It's a program that is supposed to go on for 1 month. The numbers are good. I can see like we are already 3/4, because for this county alone, we already had beneficiaries of about 5,000 as of today. And we still have about another 20 days to go. So you can see people are very many at these stations. My only worry is that if we have beneficiaries who cannot come out of their houses. So I would appeal to the administration, to the sub-county, the county commissioners, to be able to use the chiefs in their local areas to find out whether we have anybody who needs support that are indoors and are not able to come out.
And we have given everything we have given it all to make sure that we achieve that one. And I can assure you, so far, although there could be technical delays, I can tell you that these are challenges that beyond us, and this guy is working for registration. They are ready to work even late hours.
Now, the network